don't stress your mind.
As you guys could tell, my room is a mess, so I thought I would bring you guys along and clean my room. This might take a while. Since cleaning my room I find so boring, I thought I would film and make it fun, and let's go. As you guys can tell, I pretty much just wear sweatpants and a sweatshirt and I'm good to go. So let's start the cleaning process. I'm gonna begin first with trying to clean out my closet a little bit. Since it is the new year, I want to kind of get rid of some clothes and donate some clothes because I just have way too many clothes. As you guys could tell, I have way too many clothes and I don't even wear most of it, and even the bar is like starting to bend because it's so heavy. So we're gonna get rid of some clothes and donate them, and I'm gonna start there, and then I'm gonna start with this messy floor that we have over on here. Decided to color coordinate my wardrobe, so I go from light to dark for my pants, and then here I go like whites, blacks, pinks, all that stuff, and I just organize a little bit up here. And also these are my dirty clothes, and then those are the clothes that I'm going to donate. So now I'm going to separate those into piles and then get on to this messy floor. now that we're done cleaning the floors, we made our bed, it is on to the dressers because these are a mess, and then we're pretty much done. Just need to wipe down and do all that, and then we are good to go, and finally I can relax. I'm finally done cleaning my room, as you guys can see, and it took long enough, may I say. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want more, thumbs up. Follow me on my social medias if you aren't already, and I have Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Hit that subscribe button to join the Nicolette's Fam Jam, so your girl uploads every other day here on my channel. Hit that bell notification and get notified every single time I upload a video like this. But your girl is gonna go pass out now and relax, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!